Hello student, today we are going to discuss nitric acid in P block element. It is our last important compound of group 15. First is preparation of nitric acid. Nitric acid can be prepared in laboratory by NaNO3 or KNO3, potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate with concentrated H2SO4, right, to form nitric acid. Nitric acid commonly manufactured by Ostwald process. According to Ostwald, ammonia react with oxygen या combust with oxygen in the presence of platinum at 500 Kelvin and 9 bar atmospheric pressure to form nitric oxide. 4NO. NO is nitric oxide. Nitric oxide further react with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. It is the second step of the Ostwald process. These nitrogen dioxide on hydrolysis to form nitric acid. They are form some quantity of the nitric oxide. These are further recycled to form nitrogen dioxide and then nitric acid. Uh, that's clear. NO3 can be concentrated by distillation up to about 68% by mass. That's clear. It means Ostwald process complete in 3 steps. First, ammonia heated with O2 in the presence of platinum to form nitric oxide, and nitric oxide further react with oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide hydrolysis to form nitric acid, right? And then properties of nitric acid. Pure nitric acid is colorless liquid, but impure is generally yellow due to presence of nitrogen dioxide. They react with atmospheric oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide and have yellow color. But pure nitric acid is colorless liquid. Acidic character, they give H positive ions on hydrolysis. HNO3 plus H2SO4 to form H3O positive means hydronium ion. It indicates that it is acidic nature. So turn blue litmus to red. They combine with base to form salt, sodium nitrate. Except action on metal. It means nitric acid react with all metals except noble metal like gold and platinum. They react all metals. In gold and platinum, they combine with HCl to form aqua regia. It means 3 part of nitric acid and 3 part of concentrated HCl combine to form aqua regia, and gold and platinum also dissolve in aqua regia. It will be discussed later. The product depend upon the nature of metals, concentrated acid and temperature. When metal are more electropositive than hydrogen, they form hydronium H ions, and these H your reductions react with nitric acid to form reduction product and H2O. These are the common example of the reactivity of nitric acid on more reactive, more electropositive metal, right? And next is using dilute nitric acid from nitrogen dioxide. These are the some common example, right? When dilute nitric acid form nitrous oxide, very dilute nitric acid for ammonium nitrate. That's clear? Or concentrated from nitric acid. Then the metals which are less electropositive than hydrogen, they give nascent oxygen. These nascent oxygen further react with metals and nitric acid to form metal nitrate. These are the some common example in the concentrated nitric acid to form nitrogen dioxide, dilute nitric acid to form nitric oxide, and right. The action on noble metal. We have already discussed that aqua regia dissolve in all metals. 3 part of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated nitric acid combine to form aqua regia. In aqua regia, they form chloride. These chloride dissolve all the noble metal like Au plus 3Cl to form AlCl3, Pt 4Cl to form PtCl4. Right? Oxidation of non-metals and compound. In non-metals, they are oxidized to form nascent oxygen. Nascent oxygen combine with metal to form metal salt and nitrogen dioxide. These are the some common example. Action of organic compound. Sucrose C12H22O11 combined with nitric acid to form oxalic acid. Then benzene react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form nitrobenzene. Now note, these are the important features of the nitric acid. Nitric acid attack proteins to give yellow nitro compound. This is known as xanthoprotein. Is known as xanthoprotein. In board examination, when the question asks what is xanthoprotein, it means nitric acid attack protein. Give yellow nitro compound is known as xanthoprotein. These are the structure of nitric acid or nitrate ion. HNO3 and nitrate ion. Brown ring test is a very important test in according to uh, laboratory. In laboratory, nitrates give brown ring test with Fe2 positive ions in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. These are the reaction complete to form a brown ring. Is the side of the test tube is called brown ring test. These brown ring formed by penta aqua nitrogen iron second ion, right? These are combined to form a brown ring. That's clear. These are complete our topic. Thank you.